Why is it no matter what word you put in front of mount, it always sounds dirty?
It's because we're dudes.
Hello and welcome to Mischief Garage. Today we're going to take apart this part scooter that we picked out for next to nothing. Not too much info on it except for it likes to leak everything. And it's broken in some areas, like the pull start here and fuel lines all busted up on it. But long story short, this is going to go on the trike. So let's begin. Finger tight, that's not a good side.
What is?
A spark plug.
Oh, seriously?
Sounds like it kind of wants to.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh! Oh! Yes! It made a thing. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so we're there.
Yeah,
we're there.
We should do it again.
Yep. Let's see if we can make this piece of shit idle. Yes. All right.
This is what it's all about, though.
This is what it's all about.
I say that same thing when I drive my Talon. See if we can make this piece of shit idle.
Right. Make this thing right. Oh.
Wow, just gas.
Yeah, trouble is they're, different sizes. This is, I use this when I'm doing brake bleeding.
Are you depressed?
When I find that life just is too much to bear. There it is.
There's the money shot. No, it's gonna suck. You want to get this thing to run and not be able to turn it off.
We got ways.
Oh, you're gonna dump it right in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Trying to find the system. Car won't run if it's at an angle like that.
Yeah, we don't live in Duluth, but there's lots of hills.
That bit back. Spawn.
Doing things.
Yeah. Well,
Feels awesome.
at this point, I'm thinking a rebuild kit for the carb. Clean it out, clean the needles, the floats,
Or a new carb.
or a new carb. Yeah, rebuilding the shit. We don't do that stuff here. We just throw parts at it.
Well,
You know, like the old Hondas, the CT90s and stuff like that. You can get carbs for like $24.
If I
So
have
it's
to
worth
spend
checking.
$24 on a carb for this, I'm scratching the whole project. I got like 35 bucks into it right now. I'm not gonna spend almost double my funds so far.
You're such a cheap ass. Alright, cool. So, yeah.
Yeah. It turns over, it will run with a little bit of wishful thinking.
What's next? I think you just explained that.
We're gonna we're gonna rebuild the carb and put a supercharger on it.
What he said. Neat. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, why don't we, since we've got...
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Holy
That's why that
baloney.
hurt. I was like, man, f***ing gasoline's burning my finger really bad. That could be why. Neat.
Well, so we have 3 things recording to go pick up a kid's bicycle
Yep.
for the kid's tricycle that
Yes.
we're putting a motor on.
These are all normal adult things.
Yes, we're not kids, you know. We work 9 to 5 jobs and all that fun, responsible crap.
Usually 9 to 5.
Oh, 6 to 2:30 for me. I'm a kid, I still want to do shit after work and play. So yeah, eventually we will film adult things, not like casting couch things, but like cars and motorcycles and other stuff that adults like to do.
Yes. So we're heading into Superior, Wisconsin right now to go and pick up this kid's bike. It's actually a pretty decent place.
A lot of bars.
A lot of bars. A lot of bars. A lot of really fast cars from there too, though.
That is true. I mean, when they are sober, they can build some crazy shit.
Yeah,
over there.
exactly. Well, they might still when they're drinking.
Yeah, but no bad idea has ever come from, hey dude, hold my beer and watch this.
Yes. Why are we going to the gas station?
I have to get money. I'll do the handshake.
I'll do the handy.
Alright.
All right.
If I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
This way long.
Hey. Alright.
Neat.
I had a break of 20.
Yep. Fucking chocolate milk.
Yep, chocolate milk. Jesus, people.
Is that real? I think
Yeah,
it's
that's a
real.
chow chow.
I know, but it looked like it wasn't moving.
Can't just sit there and be chill for a bit.
No, it can't. Everything needs to be as high strung as me. Everything.
Angry British woman tell us where to drive.
Just British.
They always sound British. Oh, I might want to hit start. Small repair. Holy crap.
We found the right place.
Yes. We actually, I'm not gonna park there. I don't want to park in the guy's driveway.
Yeah.
So he might not want to barter at all. I might get stuck paying the $30.
Oh, damn.
There should be.
He has like hundreds of bikes. This is awesome.
I wish I could film this.
I know, right?
This guy could work right here.
This one will work. How much do you want for that one?
That one, that's 16 inches, $20.
20 bucks? I can do 20 bucks. Yeah, that should work out.
The trike you put it on is an adult trike?
No, it's a kid's tricycle. It's a like a 60s. Was it AMF? It's like just a basic old old metal tricycle. Actually very similar to the ones you got sitting back there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Actually the trike
You should almost
good one in from the left. So just have a scooter motor. Like I want to build something crazy.
Yeah.
you should do it on an adult trike.
I think it'd be funnier on a kid's trike.
Funnier, definitely.
That's not what I want to do.
Sweet.